Okay, I have a Schlage KIK lock 6-pin. I've put it in this holder. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. The last pin sets on this tip end of this key here. So let's put it in the vise and open it up. Let's take a look at the pins I've got in it. Okay, I think that'll hold it. Okay, let's make sure it's still free. Okay. Alright, let's use top of the keyway. And let's go with this little pick. Go to the back of the lock. Okay, there's a little bit on pin 6, pin 5. We're going to try to use light tension. Okay, there's pin 2, pin 1. Let's go to the back again if we can. Okay, there's pin 3 again, I believe. Okay, let's back it up just a little bit. Okay, there's pin 2. There's a little bit more on 1. It feels like we're getting a little feedback on pin 4. Let's go on to the front. Okay, let's go to the back of the lock again. Okay, let's back it up just a hair. There's pin 4. Okay, pin 1. Start at the back again. Okay, here's pin 5. Sound like we might have dropped pin 6. Let's go on to the front and then we'll check the pin 6 in just a moment. Feedback on pin 1. Okay, there it is, open on pin 1. Okay, so pin 6 didn't drop. Thought we'd dropped it. We didn't drop it. Okay, let's back it up just a little. Okay, let's take this little nut off the back. Okay, there's a spring out of the back. Okay, let's see how we want to do this now. Okay, let's turn this up like this. Let's just slide this out. Okay, there's a pin 6. Pin 5. Pin 4, pin 3, pin 2, see if we can get pin 1 out. Okay, it's there it come out. Okay, pin 1. See if we can get these springs out. Okay, all the chambers are threaded. It's a little hard to see, but they are threaded, all 6. Let's check our bottom pins. Okay, all 6 pins in and working. Yeah, see if we can do it this way. Maybe not. Okay, there's pin 6, pin 5, pin 4. I admit that fell out of place. Pin 2, pin 3. This is pin 1 or 2. Okay, there's pin 1. Okay, let's look at this plug. Okay, they are all threaded also. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins now. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 key pins. That is serrated. Serrated, serrated. This is another serrated pin, another serrated pin, a little bit longer. Well, it's got like a spool and serrated, serrated. This is serrated key pin, serrated key pin, serrated key pin. This is a trampoline pin type, serrated and serrated. Okay, that's what we have on this Schlage KIK 6-pin lock. Thank you for watching. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. Thank you again.